FC Residence by F. Pols Arquitetura in Votorantim, Brazil. The Residência FC project is located in the interior of São Paulo in the city of Votorantim, and from the beginning had a very particular conceptual and aesthetic desire from its owners, who demanded a residence that emphasized the emotional memory that the couple has of the country residences in the city of Gonçalves and Minas Gerais. In addition, one of the premises for the project was to prioritize the sunset that occurs in the back of the lot, as the owner's desire was for the evening landscape to be part of the daily life of the whole family. For the typology, the desire was for a single-story house, integrated, with personality and low maintenance. It was also important to have a mezzanine for a home office where the owner could have a private space to work. As a result, we arrived at a single-story house with a garage, social area, intimate area, and service area all on the same level. The entry point is a hall already connected to the living and dining rooms, which are visually connected to the mezzanine and the double-height ceiling, also integrating with the kitchen and the external area, where we optimized the slight slope of the lot to implement the pool and a suspended deck. The service sector is reserved, bringing privacy and visual blockage to the area that is less visually interesting to the residents, but still maintaining the necessary functionality. For the intimate area, we have a central open courtyard to illuminate one of the suites that are used as a guest bedroom and a second office, and the other two are the main suite for the couple and the daughter's suite, both with walk-in closets, facing the mandatory setback of the lot, totaling 3 suites. The only space that is not on the ground floor is the mezzanine, which was the owner's desire. There is an office located there, along with a terrace and a library. The library is a very important element in the interior design project, as it is visible from the entire house and provides privacy to the office. The result of this mezzanine also provided not only a view of the sunset but also the sunrise due to the high ceiling and elevated level of the space. The conceptual and volumetric resolution was achieved by using the references of the residences in Gonçalves MG desired by the clients, but with a modern twist. The strategy was to use wood as a structural element for much of the residence, including beams and roofing, as well as the use of brick and pastel and neutral tones for painting. We also chose to make a sloping and apparent roof, making the entire project, including the interior design, meet the client's expectations through the expected emotional connection.